This is Even Hub, your new place to discover apps for Even G2. Inside the Even Realities app, you will now see a dedicated Even Hub tab, where all new apps and experiences for your glasses come together. At the top, featured apps help you explore what is new and essential. You can also browse by category, or use search to find something specific. Tap into any app to learn more before you install. You can view its key details, see what it offers, and preview how it looks on your display. When you're ready, just tap Install. Live News is then ready to open right away. Once opened, it brings useful updates into the view, from today's news and daily briefings to weather at a glance. Installed apps can also appear on your home screen, alongside your everyday tools. You can make Even Hub your own. Long press to reorder apps on your home screen, or go to menu customization to choose what appears in your menu and where it sits. Even Hub brings more ways to use Even G2 throughout your day. Check the weather before you head out, see transit timing at a glance, play chess for a quick break between meetings, control music on the move, or view key vehicle info and control your Tesla from your glasses without taking out your phone. And as Even Hub grows, privacy stays built in. Apps only get the permissions they actually need, and nothing more. With Even Hub, Even G2 is no longer limited to a fixed set of features. You can discover new apps, install what fits your day, and make the experience more your own. Open Even Hub in the Even Realities app and start exploring.